The Rochester Police Department is teaming up with churches to police city streets.
RPD says community policing is much needed in the city. News 8's Joylyn Whitfield shows us how it works.
Usually when I'm running this way?
Yeah. Rochester police officers Mandy Wheeler and Brian Munson are on foot patrol on the lookout for anything suspicious.
So when the police are out there,
Hi, how are you?
it's quiet.
How are you doing?
But sometimes it's just a hearty hello and their presence that makes a difference.
As we've been walking, there's been much less number of people standing on the stores, by the stores and on the corners. So I have seen a difference. As we're walking, they seem to usually walk away or they're not there at all anymore right now.
Father Vincent Panapinto is part of Interfaith Action, a coalition of city churches. That group asks for more help fighting crime in its neighborhoods, especially in fighting drugs, prostitution, and gangs.
Well, all of us are much happier. We feel more comfortable on the street knowing that the drug trafficking and the prostitution that's been going on the street has been reduced.
The group's efforts helped create this foot patrol initiative. Now police are spending extra hours on their feet in 4 target northwest and northeast neighborhoods. Police say it's working better than routine car patrols.
You drive by, they look kind of scared, but they'll come back after you drive by. Being out on foot, they know you're out there, they know you could be coming around the corner at any time.
But the department says it wishes it could do even more.
We would like to have officers walking the beat in those neighborhoods. It's a question of resources.
But at least in this neighborhood, they say there's less loitering on the corner, and they believe less crime.
And that's the first time in my 5 years living back here in this neighborhood that I've experienced that.
Well, now the foot patrols are a one-year project that started last month. Now these patrols are in addition to other RPD patrols. Chief David Moore says they're different though because the department will get direct monthly feedback from churches and neighborhoods involved in this very program. Joylyn Whitfield, News 8 Now.